Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a piece of cookware that aims to blend aesthetics with high performance, the Cuisinart Culinary Collection 10-inch skillet in Sapphire. We've all seen countless non-stick skillets, but Cuisinart is promising something a little different here with their PURELYCERAMIC non-stick advanced release system. So, let's find out if this Sapphire beauty can live up to its claims. First off, let's talk about the star of the show, that PURELYCERAMIC non-stick advanced release system. Cuisinart claims this is their exclusive technology for superior cooking performance. In our testing, this skillet really does excel at releasing food. From delicate eggs to sticky stir-fries, we found that ingredients slid off with minimal effort, which is exactly what you want from a non-stick surface. This makes cooking and, more importantly, cleanup, a significantly less frustrating experience. The ceramic coating is also free of PFOS, PFOA, petroleum, and PFAS, which is a huge win for anyone concerned about the chemicals in their cookware. This commitment to healthier materials is definitely a major selling point. Beyond the non-stick capabilities, the design of this skillet is quite striking. The sapphire color is vibrant and adds a welcome pop of color to the kitchen. It's not just about looks though. The description mentions that each piece is contoured for style, and the ergonomic stainless steel handles are indeed comfortable to hold. The finger grips are a thoughtful addition, providing a secure and easy grip, especially when transferring the skillet from the stovetop to the table, which can be a common scenario for a versatile 10-inch skillet. The cool grip stainless steel stick handles are also designed to stay relatively cool on the stovetop, reducing the risk of burns during cooking. Compatibility is another important factor, and Cuisinart assures us that this skillet is safe for all stovetops, including induction. We tested it on both gas and induction, and it performed admirably on both, heating evenly and responding well to temperature changes. The inclusion of a lifetime warranty is also a significant confidence booster. It signals that Cuisinart stands behind the durability and quality of their product. This is reassuring, especially when investing in a piece of cookware that you expect to last for years. Now, let's move on to the pros and cons. On the pro side, the superior non-stick performance is undeniable. The PURELYCERAMIC system truly delivers on its promise of easy food release and effortless cleanup. The healthy, PFA-free construction is a major advantage for health-conscious consumers. The attractive sapphire color and ergonomic handle design make this skillet a pleasure to use and look at. Its versatility across different stovetop types, including induction, adds to its practical appeal. And, of course, the lifetime warranty provides excellent peace of mind. However, no product is perfect, and there are a few considerations. While the non-stick is excellent initially, like all non-stick cookware, its longevity will depend on proper care. Avoiding metal utensils and high heat will be crucial to maintaining the integrity of the ceramic coating over time. The 10-inch size, while versatile for many tasks, might be a bit small for cooking larger family meals or searing multiple items at once. You might find yourself needing a larger skillet for those occasions. Also, while the handle is designed to stay cool, it can still get warm with prolonged use, so caution is still advised. In conclusion, the Cuisinart Culinary Collection 10-inch skillet in Sapphire is a strong contender in the non-stick cookware market. It beautifully combines a stylish aesthetic with genuinely impressive non-stick performance and a commitment to healthier materials. If you're looking for a skillet that makes everyday cooking and cleanup easier, is safe for your family, and looks good doing it, this Cuisinart offering is definitely worth considering. The combination of its advanced release system, healthy materials, and the backing of a lifetime warranty makes it a compelling choice for any home chef. Link in the description.